Hey, you there, sandwich in hand. What if I could make it disappear? Sounds like magic, doesn't it? But what if I told you it's not magic, but science? Quantum science, to be precise. You see, in the quantum world, particles like electrons can exist in multiple places at once. It's a phenomenon known as quantum superposition. Picture your sandwich not just in your hand, but also simultaneously on the table, in the fridge, and even on Mars. It's a bit like your sandwich existing in multiple potential sandwich states at the same time. Mind-boggling, isn't it? But wait, you start checking your sandwich for signs of quantum behavior. Let me burst your bubble. Unfortunately, quantum superposition doesn't apply to sandwiches. It's a principle that holds true only for tiny particles. So hold on to your sandwich, let's get to business. Remember that time when your old physics professor talked about an electron existing in many places at once and half the class fell asleep? Well, we're about to revisit that concept, but this time we'll keep it simple and fun. Welcome to the world of superposition. Imagine a box. Inside this box there's a cat and a vial of poison. Now, until you open this box, the cat exists in a state that's both alive and dead. Sounds spooky, right? Well, this is superposition for you. It's like having your cake and eating it too, except in this case, you don't really know if you have the cake or not until you look. The cat's state, whether it's alive or dead, isn't decided until we open the box and take a peek. This is represented by a mathematical object called a wave function, which combines all possible states and their probabilities. So when you think about superposition, remember the cat. Think of it like a box with a cat and a vial of poison. Until you open the box, the cat exists in both a dead and alive state, a superposition. Now opening the box changes everything. By observing the cat, we force it to collapse into a single state, either alive or dead. This is what we call the collapse of the wave function. Just like opening the box to reveal the fate of the cat, observing a quantum system forces it into one of its possible states. Let's visualize this with the help of an analogy. Imagine a ball that's in a superposition of being white and black. It's not half and half or grey, it's a bit more complex than that. It's as if it exists in all shades between white and black at once, but with different probabilities. However, the moment we look at the ball, the wave function collapses. The ball chooses to be either white or black, based on the probabilities we mentioned. So, imagine a ball in a superposition of 25% white and 75% black. When we observe the ball, it instantly becomes either white or black, based on the probability of each state. This superposition plays a crucial role in quantum computing. Instead of just zeros and ones, qubits can represent zeros and ones simultaneously due to superposition, making them exponentially more powerful than classical bits. Now let's break this down a little. Classical computers, like the one you're probably using to watch this video, process information in bits. Each bit is either a 0 or a 1, it's that simple. But quantum computers, oh boy, they're a different beast altogether. They use quantum bits, or qubits. A qubit, thanks to our friend superposition, can represent a 0 and a 1 at the same time. This means that a quantum computer can process a vast number of possibilities at once. Think of it like this. With 100 classical bits, you can represent only 100 possible states. But with 100 qubits in superposition, you can represent a staggering 2 to the power of 100 states. That's a colossal difference, and it opens up doors to solve problems previously impossible. Quantum computing, folks, is the future, and it's mind-blowingly powerful. Feeling curious? Eager to break out of the matrix? While I can't provide the latter, stay tuned to the channel for more crazy quantum fundamentals. We've just barely scratched the surface of what quantum computing has to offer, and there's a whole universe of possibilities waiting to be explored. If you're as excited as we are about the mind-bending potential of quantum computing, then you're definitely in the right place. In the upcoming episodes, we'll delve deeper into the quantum realm, throwing light on entanglement, quantum gates, and more. Time to tickle those brain cells and gear up for a thrilling ride into the world of quantum. So if you're ready to embark on this quantum journey with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to never miss an update.